Hello, lovely people. We are back, and it's only been a week and a half, and look at this hair. Stiff. I lost all the volume. I did have a few tracks that came out, but that's okay. But look at this part. You see that? Do you see it? Because I see it. It's disgusting. So you know what that means, right? Time to check it out. Ooh! Ooh! You can use some oil, conditioner, whatever you choose to use to take it out, but I'm going to be using my C22 solvent to release this. Ooh, I can't wait to this out. It just feels so soothing. Look how fast this bad boy is working. I'm actually going to time lapse this so we can see how fast it comes off with just a few squirts. am back. My hair is 75% dry and there is no residue left on my hairline. And that was the main concern when it comes to quick weaves. To always protect the hairline and the edges. Of course the rest of the hair, but the main thing that people see when they see any individual is the hairline. And you don't want your hairline missing. And you definitely don't want them edges missing. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next video.